So what you can also do inside of diagrams.net is insert out diagrams based on CSV data. So CSV data is a particular format that has information arranged in a certain way. So to access that, I'm going to go around under Arrange right here under the Insert section. Then once I do that, I'm going to go to Advanced and then select CSV. Once I do that over here, you can see that there's some formatting that is provided right here. Like let's say, for example, there's the style right here, there's like JSON, there's like identity right here, and then so forth, as you can see, which determines how the inserted data will be represented. For example, there's the node spacing and so forth, and you can change around these values right here based on the comments. Let's say, for example, it's a spacing between levels of hierarchical layout right here, and the default is 100, as you can see right here. And you can change it out right here as per how we want. Let's say, for example, if I were to import, this is the sample data that we have right here, and we can go around under Arrange onto Insert onto CSV, and once we go around over here, we can change the level of spacing, let's say, for example, to 50, and change around the edge spacing to, let's say, for example, 70, node spacing right here to 50, and press import, and you can see that the space in between these diagrams changes out right here. But what we are interested out right here is the data itself. So how is it pulling it out? That is what we want to know. So I'm just going to go around onto Insert onto, let's say, the CSV file right here. So once I do that, this is what you have. As you can see, it says the CSV below this line is the main data right here. And this is in a certain format. And based on what you like, you can go around and add in or delete in more information. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this particular text as an example and take this out and take this into a CSV editing program, which can be any spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets as well. And then you can go around, edit out CSV file from that. So I've already copied this, and now I'm going to go around over here onto my desktop and then create out a new text document right here. So I'm just going to go around onto this text document and then paste the data out right here, just like this. So now all I'm going to do is go to File and Save As, and I'm just going to go around, choose my desktop and say select all file, and save it in as sample.csv right here, just like this, and click on save. So once I do that, what happens is that it gets saved out as a CSV file, as you can see right here. So now what I can do is I can open this out with, let's say, Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet editing application. And once you do that, it comes in this format, as you can see right here. It comes in this format where all the information are there. So now what I'm going to go around and do is replace out the name with, let's say, for example, TutorTube1 right here, just like this. And this is going to be, let's say, let me just go around, type in TutorTube1 and pull this out. And you can see I got TutorTube1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to go around and say editor right here, and then just pull out the information. So this is what you have. So there's the position editor 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. We got the ID, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and say TT1 right here, just like this. And let's see what it pops up with. So there's 2, 3, 4 right here, just like this. And Office 1, 2, 3, 4 is here as well. So let's say TutorTube1 is the manager for all of these right here. And you can see that I can also choose up the fill color right here, which is in the format of the hexadecimal right here for the stroke as well. So I'm not going to focus on that, and you can see the URL right here, which it should be linked to. Let me just go around and link it out to youtube.com/tutortube right here. And let me remove out the S right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and select the cell out and then pull this out right here. And over here, you can see that this is the user. Let me just pull out all of the images that we have right here. And I'm going to go around and then remove out the references and then select out all of these and drag it out right here, just like this. So now we have edited out the CSV data, and let's see how this looks in the diagram format. So I'm just going to go around, press Ctrl S, and it gets saved out over here. And now I'm going to go around and open out this CSV with Notepad instead, so it comes in this format. So now what I need to do is I need to go around and then copy this out right here, close this out, and you have this diagram. So now I'm going to go around, let me just expand this out and delete out the diagrams that we see right here. I'm going to go around onto arrange, onto insert right here, and once I do that, I'm going to go around onto CSV, and I'm just going to go around and then paste out the data right here. So now if I were to click on import, now you can see the new file right here. You can see that some of the formattings are not correct. That is because we were not able to write correct code for it. But you can see that there's the email and everything, and you can see the link has changed as well. And that is how you can easily insert out CSV data as diagrams as well. And you can see that you get the image and everything, and you can replace all of these by changing out the CSV data itself. You can see the managers right here, so forth. As you can see right here, there's the hierarchy and everything made out. And that is how you can insert out diagrams directly from CSV files inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.